are here at Lucky Pan Asian Kitchen with the chef. Interview natin sila, how they started, and what is this Lucky Pan Asian Kitchen all about?
So, it started with me.
Yes.
Actually, nag-resign po ako sa previous job ko. Gusto ko po mag-open ng clothing brand.
Clothing.
Yes po.
Oh, so you design.
Yes po. So, in-approach po ako ng biggest partner namin, which is Sineri. And that time, nurse po siya dyan sa Four Seasons.
Okay.
So, in-approach niya ako, sabi niya, Chef, bakit mag-open ka ng business that doesn't match your skill? Kaya kung gusto mo, kausapin mo yung fiancé ko, meron siya idea or na mag-open ng food business. And then, nag-meet kami, we talk about it, we dive in, and decided na, okay, let's start with something small, which is Secret Supper.
Okay.
Talaga
2011, may mga negosyo na.
Aba, entrepreneur pa lang na pala talaga kayo.
So, ang mistake na gagawa namin is kapag kumikita na kami, nag-e-enjoy kami.
Apo.
Ni-spend nyo na.
Yes.
Ginagamit namin. Pag bumaba ulit yung season ng negosyo, nagugulit kami, ay,
Hindi
wala
siya
tayong pambayad.
naubos na.
Naubos natin. So nagkakaroon kami ng problema. Hanggang sa slowly natuto kami.
Natuto.
Siyempre, bata pa po kami noong time na yun. Hindi namin alam pa paano i-handle yung finances. Hanggang sa slowly natuto kami, kaya continue namin. Business pa rin ang business. Now, nung feeling ko, at some point, lalo na po sa mga chefs, sobrang taas po ng burnout rate.
Pressure.
Yeah, actually, that's one of the points that gusto talaga namin i-achieve is to be different.
Unique.
Because ang pinaka ayaw na namin mangyari is to become fully commercial.
Yung,
Kasi
kasi,
mawawala yung soul.
yeah.
Mawawala
Ito.
yung essence ng nilaki.
May lucky.
And it ano rin naman, no? Kasi with the intimate and talagang personalized, rather than yung sinasabi yung hindi siya commercialized, more on automation. Pero dito, you can feel it with the stories din, di ba? So,
Yeah.
distinct, I think every encounter.
Tsaka gusto namin mag-iwan ng impression sa customer na every time nakakain sila dito, yung flavor na natikman nila, kay lang nila makukuha. So, tawag dito. And since both of us are Filipino po, pero kahit na Filipino kami, ang work kasi namin before is sa ibang cuisine. So, para sa amin, sayang naman kung hindi natin gagamitin. So,
Capitalize.
opo. Kaya, in-apply na namin doon.
We wanted to show na, yes, Filipino kayo, but that doesn't mean Filipino food ang gagawin natin.
Yes.
We can actually do more.
Yeah.
This is just one of what we can do, which is the Asian side.
And
There is more.
Ayaw din po namin tanggalin yung, syempre yung roots. Kaya minsan, yung ibang dishes po namin, nandun pa rin yung Filipino culture natin, Filipino food.
In the end of the day, like may sasabi yung guest ang bida. Hindi kami. We are just giving them what we think they will want and what we know they will want.
I think napansin ko doon sa part ng concept ninyo dito is, it's ideal dun sa size nito na, kasi what I'm seeing yung kakaiba sa inyo dun sa other mga food establishments is that you engage with the customers. Oo, kausap nyo. Halimbawa, ang kasya dito, 4, 5, then we can talk. Diba? And then while you're preparing, pwedeng magtanong, ano ba yung ingredients na ganyan? And then, nakakapagkwentuhan, and then you can share about you being a couple, and then yung tao, paano ba kayo nagsimula? Yung tipong ganun.
Yes,
diba?
po.
So, there's a conversation going on. Yung bang concept na yun is sinadya, you found na yun ang ideal sa ganito? Did you think of it as an idea beforehand?
We already expected it.
Oh.
Yes. Kasi very awkward na magtrabaho na may nakatingin sa'yo tapos
Hindi mo papansinin.
Hindi mo siya mapapansin.
Oo.
So, we already expected it. We already know that since ito yung mangyayari, and she's very used to it. Nagtatrabaho po siya sa...
Show kitchen din
Show
po
kitchen.
kasi yung
Show kitchen.
previous, yes po.
Okay.
So,
Well,
sanay kaming makipag-usap.
Used kami sa ganitong klase ng setup. So,
Concept na ganito.
so it comes out naturally na lang na nakikipagkwentuhan po kami sa guests. Hindi hindi po namin siya yung parang pinipilit yung sarili namin.
Oo.
Nakausapin sila. Actually, we're happy.
Nag-enjoy po
Yeah,
kami.
nag-enjoy kami na makichismis sa some parts of ng buhay nila. Then pag uwi na, makakalimutan na namin. At least
Ayan.
hindi puro luto
Work.
lang yung ginagawa.
Tsaka I think with your clientele, 200 plus yung nationalities dito.
Yes,
Pag
po, mix.
Pilipino, natural, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang Pilipino usually, nakiki-engage naman talaga. Pero the different nationalities, ganun din ba yung reception? No?
Same po. I mean,
Oo,
nakakatuwa kasi iba-ibang culture po yung namimit naming dalawa and natututunan namin kung paano sila, alam niyo yun, usually kasi nagkakaroon nung yung parang
comparing
party,
ng culture to culture.
yes, and nag-enjoy po talaga sila sa ganitong setup.
Oh, nice.
Probably, para sa mga chefs na gusto rin magtayo ng restaurant, the first thing I would suggest is to learn the numbers. Very important. Learn your numbers, learn your trade, learn your recipes. Has to be standard every time. Kaya ganyan ka-successful ang mga fast food kasi kahit saan ka kumain, pare-parehas ang lasa
Same,
niya.
no?
That is standard.
Very-
Na kapag kakain sila sa restaurant mo, gusto kong kumain ng manok kasi naalala ko yung nasa ng manok nila ganito. Pag kumain sila ulit, same.
Exactly.
Exactly the same. Walang magbabago. So, which is very, very important.
Important. Yeah.
To any restaurant naman. So, learn your trade, learn your numbers, and have a standard recipe. Something to add?
Yeah. Siyempre, kailangan nag-enjoy ka pa rin sa ginagawa mo.
Yes.
Kasi
Oh.
importante yun. Kasi
True.
may mga bagay na, alam mo yun, gusto mo start, pero kung hindi ka naman masaya sa ginagawa mo, eventually, burn out ka eh. Support, importante rin. Oo.
Galing,
Yung support ng, yung nasa paligid.
Yes.
Kasi minsan,
Support.
yes, magre-risk ka, pero pag nag-fail ka, anong sunod? So, kailangan, may mga, yes.
Prepared for that.
Kasi, hindi naman pwedeng, mag-risk ka lang, tapos after nun, wala na lahat. So, kailangan may backup plan ka pa rin.
Lahat dyan, blessing.
That's
Blessing
true po.
Pag magandang intention mo, maganda
Maganda.
rin ang makukuha mo.
I agree. So, we learned so much from the couple. So, maraming salamat sa
Maraming
Lucky
salamat.
Pan Asian Kitchen.
Maraming salamat din po.
Hopefully, ay mapuno natin palagi dito.
Yes po.
This will be a blessed place na welcoming and home.
Yes po.
Yes
Home.
po.
Let Lucky be your home.
Yes.
So, with that, we see you sa next episode ng Mangan Tayo series with Vice Consul Jim. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you.